Hey, morning guys. So I'm over at my friend's place now after yesterday was night shift. So after work now I'm at my friend's house. Getting some papers from him because he will be on medical leave for a few days. Yeah. So a bit tiring last night. Luckily I was able to catch a small nap. Yep, and I am riding my little motorbike here. Yep. So this is my jacket. You can see part of it. This is my old Ducati jacket that I'm using currently for my bike, which is a Suzuki. Yep. And there's also a big word down here. But anyways, as long as it can be used. So quite a nice place here, quiet. I think later on I'll be heading out with wifey. Don't know, to meet our friend or maybe to buy some stuff for Christmas. So we shall see how things go later. Okay. Alright, I am home. Got back just in time just now. And it started raining. Oh, I'm showing the sky outside. Okay, never mind. Hi wifey. Okay. So we are having pancit canton for breakfast. 2 eggs, wifey's coffee, my water. Oh, not this one, This one, the big one.
This one is Uncle Dwayne,
little
our
boy.
nephew Adam, and mine. There I have my name.
Yep. So hers is just like the jailbird type one.
The leftover of the chocolate
Cake.
chocolate cake.
Which we will be finishing up.
Born in Singapore, made by hand. Oh.
Yeah, it tastes a bit salty, so maybe they never wash their hands, you know.
Yeah, it's baby. Anyhow, say no lah. The cake is nice.
Yep. So the cake is good. Then yeah, you see this one, like those jailbird, you know. Then they crank, they go across, you know, the bars like that. Okay. Okay, let's see.
Nakataas pa yung pa ako. Tignan nyo kung ano yung nahanap ko. My bracelet.
What?
I found my Ferragamo bracelet.
Oh.
Lalakad kami ngayon sa papuntang Hougang Mall. Magla-lunch muna kami dito sa Hougang Mall bago kami lumabas. Meet namin yung friend niya. Nasabi ko na ata kanina. Sakit ng puson ko. I don't know what to eat. Maybe I will have the steak. You? Salmon.
Maybe.
Dito na yung site. Bali, ang kinuha ko is set. Mashed potato and fruit beer. Pero hindi ako inom ng drinks kasi malamig. Hindi pwede. Maya na lang. Kaya happy na lang yung drinks. Ayun. Long John Silver sa kabila. Tapos, ano ba yung dun? Toast box. So, yeah. Get what? Oh.
Alright. This is wifey struggling with her meat. Hello wifey. Full concentration. How are you managing? Big lump. You must stir fry the thing also. My worst nightmare is bean sprouts. But this is nice. Mashed potato. You don't like the sauce? I like the sauce. Okay, so I'll be eating it. Okay, so this is my meal. I'm having chicken and salmon. Yep, so okay, let's see.
Oh, ang cute. May reindeer yung kotse. Pero yung bakit yung tenga nasa puwet. Dito kami ngayon sa may tag dun. House ng friend ni Dwayne. Yung siya oh.
Hey, you play game plan you have already? Huh? Your game plan you have already?
Lalabas kami for dinner. Wala silang puan dito. Ano yung bimbag. Sakit. Maybe. Where are we going to eat?
Don't know. I got to ask the Lolo.
I think at the Sunday say West Coast.
West Coast?
Said up there. I don't know what up.
Here. Hey, go eat.
Nanood kami yan.
West
Na
Coast.
Gio. Kanina merong commercial si Pacquiao.
Oh, the upstairs, the Chichawa.
Rodins ata. Wait, just now.
Huh?
What's it?
What's up?
What I say?
What?
What I say just now?
Oh, the place we going to eat.
What's the shop? What's that?
The other time we go and eat at the West Coast Mall, that one. Alright, so this is a piggy. Cute. And I got some. Oh, piggy.
Bye-bye. 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 Bakit nasana kami? Nakalimutan ni Dwayne yung yung pasalubong namin para sa kanila. Ang tagal-tagal na yun pa yung nung pumunta kami ng Phuket. Eh, tuwing pupunta kami dito nakakalimutan. Kaya yun pinapakuha ko kay Dwayne. Yan pala yung mga letterbox nila. Oh. Kunwari 01 unit 010 209 yun. Ayun na pala siya. Ayan nyo to, parang kunwari sa unit 207 kayo. Ayan. Cute nga eh. Pero ito, nasan yung sa likod niya? Paano nila ilalagay yung... Oh, ito yung minsanang bukas na dito, oh. Tapos mag-open siya, parang aparador. Baby, press ready. Parehas kaming black. Gusto niya isuot yung metallic kanyang t-shirt, mapiling. Later we think we're going to...
Oh.
What's that?
Nonsense.
What? You put the key.
I won't give them my key. Imagine give them the house key.
And then they can go to our house and visit us. No need to lock. And then your school. I think nakita nyo na yan in school. May temple doon, may school. Doon parang may ginagawa silang mga factory yata. Dito na kami. Meron sila yung rest and go, yung massage. Meron silang event sa baba. Kain muna kami, tapos mamaya ikot-ikot tayo. Ngayon na yung dalawang lolo. Hi, baba. Ang ganda ng design nila dito, iba. Then, Sakuraya gift shop. Daming mga staff sa baba, oh. Nanginginig na naman ako. Natatakot kasi ako. Tingnan mo yung lalaking yan. Oh, pinapanervyos na naman ako. Dito kami kakain sa West Coast Cafe. Pero bababa muna kami kasi waiting for 15 to 30 minutes. Ang cute, oh. Merong ano show, Alice in Wonderland. Ayun na si Alice, ang ganda. Na, I will pass it to baby. I'll go and check. Baby, here.
Oh. How fun the kids nowadays. All these things to watch. Last time I was growing up, don't have. But how nice. They have a Nike boat thing just around the corner over there. So maybe we get there later.
The wife is so fun.
The boy in front. Kay Adam want to dance. Dance. Dito na kami after 30 minutes. Ang daming tao. Hanggang doon sa ano. Or, hindi ko na pinakita yung menu pero mamaya pakita ko yung order namin. This is the food. This one is chicken. Ay, squid. Pusit. Sitaw. Chicken. Beef. Tofu. Then rice. Then having coffee. Then the drink. Eh, where's your drink? Oh, here's it. Still got fish, right? Huh, baby?
Also got fish.
Still got fish.
I don't know if I can finish or not.
Can.
Feeling stressed now.
Kain. Kain tayo.
Kain tayo.
Nandito na pala yung fish. Kain tayo. The Christmas tree. Hi, Baba. So cute, right? Their team. I think their whole theme is Alice in Wonderland.